Ayan, si Baby Sam tulog. And Ellen Ben.
Hey. Hey.
Daddy in there driving. We just have to get supper from, I can't really see in here, but it's Burger King. We're gonna go travel.
What did everybody want tonight?
Hey, Ellie and Ben, what do you want to eat?
Ellie and Ben.
Yeah?
Yeah, here.
There you go. We are in Highway 63, Daddy, huh?
Mm-hmm. Southbound.
Is the garbage dump in that spot. There. That's the garbage dump spot.
This is actually the waste transfer station. The landfill's actually in and behind. Get to the Waba!
So here's your humongous.
My double Waba.
My goodness. We'll see. You can finish that. Mine is chicken. Oh man, you can't even see that. That's fine.
We're in a hotel because it's very snowy outside. It's like a blizzard.
Yeah. We're supposed to go to Grandma,
Yeah.
but it has a snowstorm, and then we stop in laclabiche and take a hotel in here just for tonight, and then drive back tomorrow to Grandma. So let's show you the hotel. It's very simple, guys. Hi. Hi, baby Sam. Give me your smile. Were you scared earlier? Were you scared earlier?
Yeah, I have a question. Where's the paper? Where's the paper for the internet?
So, there's our luggage.
Mom, there was a paper for the internet.
I don't know YouTube.
What?
So, there's 2 beds. That's
Dad
it.
was holding it. No,
Little TV and that.
And I don't know. This is like a
And
weird room.
the bathroom.
What's
And that's it. Apparently, it's a weird room for Ben.
Yeah.
Ben, how come?
What? Because you
Can
put
I see
your
your
hand on the bed and watch the TV.
So that's weird for you?
Where is it?
Well,
I
Ben,
don't know where's the fridge is too. Right there.
That way.
Oh! Oh, Mom's water bottles are in there.
Yep.
There's something in the freezer.
You can turn on the TV. What are you?
Food. Let's put no, I'm trying to find the. I learned this from school. What's school tech?
Ay, sus. Muna mo na mauhan sa school?
Yeah.
Asos. Utot ni mo. Da, to apog usa oh.
I learned about how to.
Ay, sus, budots.
Watch this.
You will fall, ha? Kagaon ka dong.
And watch this.
Ay, sus. So.
Guys, where's the Nintendo
Yeah.
Switch?
Ito na.
Hey guys, where's the Nintendo Switch?
Nintendo Switch.
Hey Ellie, where's the Nintendo Switch? I'm trying to connect to the Wi-Fi.
Whoa.
Watch this.
What?
I learned this at the school. Yes, I have internet.
You want ipit na naman yung kamay mo? Balik-balik talaga dyan. Maipit na naman yung kamay mo. Whoa. Uh-oh. Maipit yung kamay mo dyan. Lagot ka. Lagot. I can't really see that it's snowing in my phone here in the window, but it's snowing right now. That's why last night we stopped driving because it's snowing pretty bad. Can't even see the road.